Are you answering to the questions are asked on your Google business profile? If not, start doing it today, guys, because question and answers is a very important feature in your Google business profile. In July 2021, Google released it as snippets appearing on the searches made by people, and this will drive traffic to your profile if the relevant keywords are there in your questions and answers. Guys, you can take 2 steps to utilize question and answer for getting better traffic on your Google business profile. Number one is, guys, you can use it as FAQ. So all the questions which are asked related to your business by people which you think, you can add there as FAQs, which you normally do on your website. And second thing is, guys, you should take care of questions posted by people and answer them comprehensively. It should not be a short answer, it should be a good answer, because anyone searching about those services, those products which are related to your profile will check those question and answer and get satisfied and definitely reach to you through that. And you can use our app gbpgm, which provides a proper platform for question and answer input from within the application.